People keep asking me, does onion juice really grow hair or is it just another internet lie? So I decided to test it on my own hair, and what happened shocked me. So if you have been struggle with slow hair growth, thinny edges, breakage, dry hair, weak scalp, then this video is special for you. Guys, let me be honest. I used to ignore onion juice because of the smell. I thought, how can something that smells like this help my hair? But when I started researching deeply, I realized something powerful. Onion juice is one of the strongest natural scalp stimulation you can use at home. So after doing my deep research, this is what I find out. First, onion juice is rich in sulfur, and sulfur is what helps wake up sleeping hair follicles, strengthen hair roots, and reduce excessive shedding. Second, onion juice improve blood circulation to the scalp, and when your scalp got more blood, your hair grow faster. Thirdly, onion juice helps fight dandruff, scalp infection, and itchiness, and a healthy scalp equals to faster hair growth. Guys, if you want to know if this is real or not, keep on watching because I have already tested this and the result I got in 3 days leave me speechless. So if you want to know if this onion juice works in 3 days, you need to watch this video to the end, and also you need to try it to also testify on how powerful this onion juice can be. So no more slow growth, itchiness, dandruff, and whatsoever they are battling with. With this onion juice, you are covered if you prepare it in a right way and also use it in a right way. So now let me take you step by step on how to prepare this amazing homemade recipe. So first thing you must do is to bring your onion. Okay, use purple onion because purple onion, on my research I found out that purple onion contain more sulfur than white onion. So I make use of 2 medium size of my purple onion. You can use 1 medium size, okay, but I choose to use 2 medium size of it. So how to prep this is to peel off the skin of the onion, wash it thoroughly. After washing it, I will go off camera to blend it very smooth so that what we are targeting is the onion juice. So if you don't have blender to blend it, just go ahead and peel off the skin, wash it thoroughly, then use your grater to grate it, your hand grater to grate it. And also if you don't have hand grater, please use your mortar, but make sure your mortar is very clean. Use your mortar to pound it. All we need is the onion juice. So find a way to extract out that onion juice and use it. You will not believe the results. So once I'm through prepping it, then I'll show you the best way I use this onion juice. In only 3 days, my hair grew crazily. My hair double in growth, thickness, healthier and shiner. The results leave me speechless. I mean it when I say this, I'm not capping. In a few minutes, you will see what I'm talking about. After blending the onion, now let's extract out the juice. So you need a shifter, a whip cap, or a hanky. Make sure you use these tools to extract out the onion juice so that you don't have any onion residues on your hair. It's not a good experience. Your hair, it will take you days before you can rinse them out, and also you smell onions for days. So to avoid that, make sure you use something that can capture all the onion residues so that you have only the onion juice pure. Okay, so please make sure you do this whether you are using your mortar, your grater, your blender, whatsoever you use to extract out this onion juice. Please do this process, okay? So after doing that, this is the amount of onion juice I got so far. This essential oil is an optional. If you have it, you can add it, but if you don't have it, just leave it, okay? Use the only onion juice. But if you have essential oil also help to mask the smell of this onion. You know, onion smell so horrible, but for you to control the smell of the onion, you can add any essential oil of your choice, especially if you have lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil will do the amazing work, because lavender essential oil have very good fragrance. Okay, so it can help to hinder the smell of the onion juice. But any of the essential oil you have, use it. Or if you don't have any essential oil, please use the onion juice and just remove your mind for the smell, and what you need is the result. Okay, so after dropping a little bit of essential oil into my onion juice, this is what I have so far. Now let me demonstrate to you how to use onion juice to grow your hair 10 times faster and solve your hair problems in a right way. Okay, when I said that this onion juice leave me speechless, I was shocked at the result. I'm not joking. This is only 3 days of using this onion juice on my hair, and this is the result I have gotten so far. I'm total speechless with the result. I could not believe this at all, that only 3 days of using this onion juice on my hair, I can grow this so much hair, achieve more thicker hair, more healthier hair, more shinier hair. Guys, the result is real. I can't wait to hear from you when you try your own, because this is tested and trusted. As you can see the excitement in me, it will show you that what I'm saying is not capping. I'm real. Okay, so now the best way to use this onion juice on your hair, make sure you pay close attention so that you can also achieve this massive growth with this onion juice recipe. So when you use onion juice on your hair, make sure you focus on your scalp, not on your hair length. This is the most important thing you must do. Focus on your scalp, not on your hair length. Secondly, make sure you work in section, unless your hair is in cornrows. So if your hair is not in cornrows, your hair is braid, twins, or your hair is out, please make sure you work in section so that you are 100% sure that this onion juice have saturated entire your scalp, so that you can get good results or all your hair round. Okay, so when you apply this on your hair, be gentle and massage your scalp for a few minutes and allow it to sit. Do not just apply it on your hair, you do not massage your scalp. Make sure you massage your scalp and allow your hair to sit. Allowing that your hair to sit means you need to cover up your hair. Okay, leave it to sit for 1 hour. Use your shower cap to cover your hair to sit for good 1 hour. Then you can go ahead and do the next thing. I will tell you the next thing to do. So this step is very important, because massaging your scalp help the juice penetrate deeply into your scalp. When you do not massage your scalp, is useless. You're wasting your onion juice, you're wasting your time. So massaging the scalp is a must thing to do for that good result. And also covering up your hair is also a must thing to do, so that it can also stimulate blood flow on your scalp. Okay, and it's not 30 minutes something, it's not 10 minutes. Make sure you leave it to sit on your hair up to 1 hour for that good result. Now let me tell you the truth, onion juice is not magic overnight. In the first few days, you may notice less hair fall, your scalp feel fresher, less itchiness, and more growth. It depends on how you apply it on your hair. So after consistent using it, that is when people start seeing new baby hair, thicker roots, stronger hair strands. Consistent is the secret with this onion juice. These 3 days I use this onion juice and achieve this results. I use it consistent. I do not use it one day and achieve this goal. No, I use it every day for that straight 3 days. With the technique I use with it, help me to achieve this massive growth. Okay, so this is the most important thing you must bear in mind. Okay, so quick reminder, always do a patch test before using onion juice, please. And if you have a sensitive scalp, do not overuse it, okay, because using it too much is not good for you. So guys, use this as often as you wish to use it, and also it can store this onion juice in your refrigerator for only 3 days. Anywhere that remaining after 3 days, please make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch. I love natural remedies like this because they remind us that hair growth do not always need expensive products. Sometimes the solution is already in your kitchen. Okay, so guys, let me know if this video is very helpful to you, and also comment your hair growth problem in comment section below so that we can know how to tackle that. Okay, and also if you have any video you want me to film for you, also let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, please make sure you like this video, subscribe and share. It helps the growth of the channel, and also it helps people to discover the channel, and also to solve a lot of people problem out there. Okay, so once you wring this out of your hair after leaving it for that 1 hour, make sure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Moisturize your hair immediately, do not just leave it, okay, so that avoid dryness or whatsoever. So if you can follow this step consistent for straight 1 week or 2 weeks, I kid you not, you will testify more than the way I testify. You know, our hair grow differently. You may get more faster growth than the way I got, or you may get less growth than the one I got. Just bear in mind that this onion juice will work, and when you test it in a right way, you definitely testify. There is no joke about this. Okay, please comment if you have ever tried onion juice before, or would you like to try it after watching this video. Let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much for the bottom of my heart, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.